In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check recently sold items on eBay. Understanding how recently sold items performed can provide invaluable insights, whether you're trying to price your own product competitively or simply comparing what similar items have fetched in the market. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one by going to the eBay homepage and following the simple prompts to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find a search bar prominently located at the top of the page. This is where you'll type the item you're interested in researching. For example, you might enter Nike Air Max 270 if that's the product you want to investigate. After entering your search term, you'll likely see a list of active listings. But to narrow this down to items that have already sold, look over to the left sidebar on your eBay results page. There's a section labeled Show Only. Scroll down until you find it. Within the Show Only section, find the option labeled Sold Items and check that box. This will automatically check off completed items as well, which means you'll now see listings that have ended, both sold and unsold. With those filters applied, the page updates to display only the items that were successfully sold. This view can be incredibly insightful as it provides specifics such as the sale price, the date of the sale, the condition of the items, and whether it was sold via auction or the Buy It Now format. This information helps you understand market trends and sale probabilities. For those of you who are eBay sellers and want to delve deeper, eBay offers a fantastic tool called Product Research, free of charge. It's a part of their eBay Seller Hub. To access this, simply go to My eBay and click on Selling. You'll be directed to the Seller Hub, which is a goldmine of information. In the Seller Hub, you'll see a tab labeled Research. Click on this and select Product Research from the drop-down menu. Here you can enter the product keyword for the item you're researching, allowing you to fine-tune your search even further. You can filter these results by sold date range, specific categories, and even the price range, giving you a tailored view that suits your needs. As you explore this tool, you'll find it offers more than just individual sale information. You'll see the average sold price, which is excellent for understanding the going rate. You'll also come across the sell-through rate, indicating how often items are sold compared to how many are listed. Lastly, keep an eye on sales trends to see if the product's popularity is rising or falling. That's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to research sold items on eBay and use this knowledge to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy selling or buying.